Bible scriptures, the prayer of faith, supporting the themes of healing, restoration, faith, and praise. James 5:15. And the prayer of faith shall save the sick, and the Lord shall raise him up. And if he have committed sins, they shall be forgiven him. Isaiah 53:5. But he was wounded for our transgressions, he was bruised for our iniquities. The chastisement of our peace was upon him, and with his stripes we are healed. Jeremiah 17:14. Heal me, O Lord, and I shall be healed. Save me, and I shall be saved, for thou art my praise. Psalm 32. O Lord my God, I cried unto thee, and thou hast healed me. Mark 11:24. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire, when ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them. Psalm 103, 2 through 3. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgiveth all thine iniquities, who healeth all thy diseases. Matthew 9:22. Thy faith hath made thee whole. Exodus 15:26. For I am the Lord that healeth thee. Psalm 147, 3. He healeth the broken in heart, and bindeth up their wounds. Romans 8:11. But if the spirit of him that raised up Christ from the dead dwell in you, he that raised up Christ from the dead shall also quicken your mortal bodies by his spirit that dwelleth in you. Isaiah 58:8. Then shall thy light break forth as the morning, and thine health shall spring forth speedily. Proverbs 4:20-22. My son, attend to my words, incline thine ear unto my sayings. For they are life unto those that find them, and health to all their flesh. 3 John 1:2. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth. Matthew 8:17. Himself took our infirmities and bare our sicknesses. Hebrews 11:1. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen.